How to add items to Amazon wish list. Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can add items to your Amazon wish list. In order to add items to wish list, first thing first, check your internet connection. Also make sure that you already have an Amazon account. Once you open up your Amazon account, it's going to take you to this kind of interface. In order to add an item into your wish list page, all you have to do is go ahead and open up the particular product that you wish to add it. So let's see that I'm going to go with the following product. Now in order to add it to your wish list, all you have to do is just tap the heart icon located next to the product image, just like that, and here you can see that the item has been saved to shopping list or added to your wish list. Once you've added the product to your wish list, all you have to do is in order to view where you can actually get an access of your wish list, you need to go to you from the bottom, and after that you'll be able to see all sort of details. So tap the your list button. As soon as you've done that, here you'll be able to see that these are the wish list page. So in this way you can add items to your Amazon wish list. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.